Let's go over 10 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Now, you have to understand that AI is still a very new thing. Most people do not understand it yet, which gives you an unfair advantage, and unfair advantages make you rich. So we're going to be going over that, literally 10 ways right now. So you need to act on this now. You can start using ChatGPT to make your life better and make money. Number one is copywriting services. You can find clients on social media and use ChatGPT to assist you in generating engaging and persuasive copy. You could write SEO optimized copy for websites and social media or emails to nurture your client's relationship with their audience. Now, with everything from ChatGPT, Midjourney, any of the AI tools out there, and really just life in general, the more specific you are and the more context you provide, the better output you are going to get. That's why if you sit down and you just say, I want to close a client, versus I'm going to send X amount of DMs today to this type of person on Twitter and Instagram, you're going to get a better result with that. So if you're offering a copywriting service and let's say you write up an email for a client of yours and you just say, make this email more persuasive, and then you copy paste the email, it's going to make it more persuasive, but that's too surface level. Versus if you said, act as if you are, and you can give it whatever type of audience you're targeting. So, and then you say, comma, and then you input the email that you just wrote. And then guess what? ChatGPT is going to turn around and make it even more persuasive, and it's going to fit it around the audience or the avatar that you gave it. And you can do this for tweets, you can use this for emails, you can use this for websites. You could even say, example, I could go to my blog right now and I could copy paste an article and I could say, I want you to optimize this article for SEO purposes around this keyword or these keywords. And ChatGPT is going to then turn that into a more SEO optimized blog article. And you also need to specify that you don't want it to change the overall idea of the article, but you want it to insert these SEO optimized words. And it's going to give you an output, and then from there, you can further come in and tweak it, but it's going to optimize it for SEO purposes. Share the different prompts that you're using, because the more context you provide, the better result you're going to get. Number two is coding services. Choose a language, offer coding services, and get ChatGPT to do the work for you. So obviously right here, some of the other coding like services that you can use, but ChatGPT will literally give you coding that you can sit down and code apps, websites, etc. It can even find errors in your current coding. So I do not recommend this unless you already have an understanding of whether it's Python, PHP, etc. Because otherwise it's just the learning curve is going to take you months and months of learning coding before you can actually properly use this. But if you are already well versed in coding, you can use ChatGPT to offer a coding service, and it's going to make you even more efficient. It's going to save you hours and hours of time. Number three is consulting services. Use ChatGPT to become an expert in any field and offer your knowledge and expertise to clients through social media, business management, IT security, SaaS, marketing, etc. When it comes to consulting services, you don't want to get into a service that you're consulting other people on unless you already have a baseline understanding. So yes, you can use ChatGPT to become an expert. You can get various reports, etc., on literally anything under the sun, whether it's business management, IT security, SaaS. You can get a very good baseline of understanding from it and become an expert in it. But if you already have knowledge in any of these various things, you're going to have an unfair advantage. So I do not recommend, because I already know some of you that are watching this, maybe I'm talking to you, you're going to, oh, cool, I can offer consulting services. I know absolutely nothing about IT security, but I could just use ChatGPT to become an IT security expert. No, that's not how the world works. On the other hand, if you're already in IT security, if you already have a baseline understanding of SaaS, business management, whatever, you can come in and use ChatGPT to amplify your knowledge to that of an expert. And regardless of the situation you run into, you're going to be able to come up with a solution. Number four, SEO services. You can use ChatGPT to offer SEO services to improve your client's website. So, example, you can go to ChatGPT right now and tell it to give you SEO prompts, and it'll give you a list of prompts. Or you can say, give me 10 prompts that I can use to improve SEO on blog articles, on web pages, on sales pages, So the more specific you are, the better result that you'll get. And then from there, you can turn around and optimize your clients' websites and whatever it is for SEO purposes. And this number 5 is actually an interesting one that I was thinking about last night. But Kindle Direct Publishing, you can use ChatGPT to write ebooks, comics, or other written works and publish them on Kindle Direct Publishing. You can even use graphic AI tools like Midjourney to illustrate your book. So make sure you run your text through the plagiarism checkers before publishing. This is key. An issue that I've been noticing with ChatGPT is sometimes it'll give people the same thing. So you need to make sure that you run it through a plagiarism check before you publish, because otherwise it will create some issues that just aren't worth it. Just use your brain. You can figure out why. You just don't want to plagiarize. Plagiarizing is stupid. So you want to make sure that when you're using ChatGPT to write these ebooks for you, comics, and all that type of stuff, that you run it through a plagiarism check. That way you can ensure that it has not already been used already. But the cool thing about Kindle Direct Publishing is you can create a series of books relatively easily, and it's going to be an income source for you. But using ChatGPT, you could literally put together a series of books, and then you could upload them to KDP and essentially start generating some income off. Build a SaaS web app. You can use ChatGPT with the Deploy Script plugin to build a new SaaS application, set up payments, and launch it. So this is just another cool thing that you could use with ChatGPT, and obviously you have to, once again, have the plugin, but you can turn around and create a SaaS web app. And SaaS right now is still a pretty good way to make money because it's a monthly recurring kind of income. And then and this is like the key, if you decide to sell it, you need to focus on getting as many users into it as possible, and then you can turn around and sell it. Now, once again, if you want to get into SaaS, I recommend you have some kind of coding experience already, because you're going to come in and you'll be, oh, okay, that makes sense. Turn around and be able to sell it, and you'll be able to build it up and all that type of stuff. So, but this is another thing that you could do with ChatGPT, which is just phenomenal. Number 7 is course creation. You can use ChatGPT to create an online course on any topic and sell them on a course hosting platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and even Gumroad. And remember, once again, run your content through plagiarism checkers before you launch. You do not want to put together this entire course, start selling it, and then you realize that it's plagiarized, because it's just going to open up a reality you don't want to worry about. But you can start creating courses with ChatGPT, and if you upload them to Udemy, Skillshare, etc., then obviously this is going to be a recurring income, just like the Kindle Publishing. You could upload it to Udemy and Skillshare and even Gumroad, and this will create some recurring income for you that you can, once again, passively start making while you're focusing on other things. Number 8 is YouTube videos. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts for YouTube videos in a profitable niche. You can even use other AI tools to create the final video. So you could use ChatGPT to write entire scripts for whatever niche it is that you want to target. And then you can leverage other AI tools to go and create the actual video for you. So essentially, you don't even need to make the video yourself. You just come in, boom, 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 make some ChatGPT stuff to make the scripts, and then you use another AI tool to actually go about making the video. Now, I'll add the context. I personally have not used ChatGPT to make full-on videos without me. The only AI tools that I've used for my own videos, I still had to make the video. So I made the video, and then it turned around and edited the video, did all that, which is super helpful. But I do know that there are people right now making money on YouTube, and they don't actually make the videos themselves, as far as like they're not on camera or anything like this. And this is something that's going to take potentially months of time, but it will create income for you because you'll get the YouTube ad revenue, and also you can sell other products like affiliate products and all that. And that's actually a very good thing. You could identify a niche on YouTube that's getting good views, and then you could turn around, use ChatGPT to write the script, and then use another AI tool to make the video, and you could upload a video a day, 3 videos a week, and just plan that this is not going to make you any money for at least a couple months, but you could do this in profitable niches and start making some solid income. Number 9, build a following. You can use ChatGPT to create engaging content for social media, a blog, an email newsletter to grow an audience. And then you can sell affiliate products or even your own products to your audience, as long as you identify a niche or niches on Twitter or whatever. So the way my mind is working right now, is I'm just having this full stream of consciousness for you, is you could identify a niche on Twitter, and then you could use ChatGPT to write tweets for you. And as long as you come in and you edit the tweets to where they're actually good, and then you can build a blog, and then you could have a newsletter. This could be a solid way to sell affiliate products. And you could essentially have something that you sit down every Sunday and you write a week's worth of tweets and a blog, 1 or 2 blog posts, and then you write some newsletters for your email list. And this could start producing income. And if I were a total beginner, I would set up just a Twitter account and I would start writing these tweets. I would build up the account using ChatGPT and then sell the affiliate product there. And once I started making some money from it, then I would buy a WordPress blog. And then I would start writing blog posts linking to this product. And then from there, I would set up an email list. So that's just coming off the top of my mind. And this is actually something that you guys could use. Leverage harness your Twitter. Use ChatGPT, and you could you literally would have a business overnight. And number 10, and the final, is you could use e-commerce. You could use ChatGPT to help you identify a profitable niche and product for an e-commerce store, and then get it to assist with setting up the store and marketing. Now, this is something that, once again, it's going to be a little bit more work. So versus the KDP, the Twitter thing that I just talked about, this is going to take a little bit more work, or the YouTube thing. So if you're lazy right now, I do not recommend you do this, but it is just another way that you can use ChatGPT to make some money. And at the end of the day, guys, any type of freelancing works. This is something I want you to understand. Any type of freelancing works as long as you do.
A desired benefit of having a fast, efficient, and effective wireless charger could improve drastically after you try this. Unlike other wireless chargers that take up to 90 minutes to completely charge, that's the smartwatch, with McFree Transform 3-in-1 wireless charger, this could be done in half the time. What I really like about McFree Transform is that you won't need to worry about buying separate chargers for your smartphone, smartwatch, and iPod. The solution is simple. You just need to buy McFree Transform 3-in-1 wireless charger. You never know, saving yourself from the hassle of multiple chargers that could get lost could be so easy. If you want to own one for yourself, leave a comment, more info, and I'll show you all the details in box.
The next step from here for you to start making money is stop looking for some magic pill that's going to come out of the sky and put money bags in your pocket. That's just not how it works. We live in a physical reality. As you're listening to my voice, I want you to tap your leg or tap the table. Just tap right now. We live in a physical reality. So if you want to make money, every single thing I just told you is potentially thousands of dollars coming into your pocket. However, it's only going to happen if you sit down, you make a plan, you apply the simple steps, and you take action.